Hello everyone. This video is one of a series of videos being made to support the Technology Integration Initiative for the Adult Education Program. My name is Mike Fink, and I'm a teacher and administrator here at Eastern Suffolk BOCES. In order to follow along with this video, you'll need to have access to your account within the adultedli.org domain. If you need help logging in, you can watch the first video in this series called Logging into Your G Suite account, or reach out to me directly. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to keep your Google Drive organized. I'm going to show you how to rename files, create folders, and how to move things around within your Drive. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open Chrome. Because I'm already logged in with my account, all I have to do is navigate to Google Drive by clicking the icon. Now that I'm in my Google Drive, you can see that I have 4 pictures here of things that I like. I've got a picture of my dog, I've got ice cream, I've got pizza, and a picture of future Hall of Fame quarterback Sam Darnold. So this down here under Files is where these files actually exist. This area up here is called Quick Access. So these are just up here because they're the files that I've interacted with most recently. So I'll give you an example. If I were to look at this picture of ice cream and then refresh my web page, it would actually move up in the quick access queue because, again, it is the file that I've interacted with most recently. So with your Google Drive, you have unlimited storage. So that means you can put video files, lesson plans, Word documents, PowerPoints, images, anything you want in your Google Drive. And as you add to it, you're probably going to end up with a lot of files in here. So it's important to stay organized. A good rule of thumb is that if you're trying to manipulate an object within Google Drive, right-clicking on it will bring up a lot of menus. So for this image, if I wanted to rename it, I could right-click on it, go to Rename, and then name it Future. So after you add a file to your Drive, if you want to name it something specific so it's easy for you to find it again, you can do that just by right-clicking on it. Another important thing to do is create folders for yourself. Now there's several ways to do this, but I think the easiest way to do it is just by right-clicking on the File section of your Drive. So if I right-click on anywhere in this blank space, I can make a new folder. Now I'm going to name it Lila Pics. There's also this button up here that a lot of people like to use. If I click New over here, I can create a folder from here as well. Jets. And I'll create one more. Food. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move these images into these folders. And again, the easiest way to do this, I think, is just by clicking on them and dragging. So I've got the Lila picture. I'm going to move it into the folder, and it's gone just like that. I've got the Sam Darnold picture. I'm going to move it into the Jets folder. And you can also move multiple objects at once by clicking and highlighting multiple of them. And then when you drag, you can see it's got the 2 there to tell me how many files I'm moving. I can just drop them both in the folder at once. So now my main Drive page is pretty clean except for these folders. And if I double click on them, I can again see everything that I want. You can also move things by right-clicking on them and going to Move To, and then I'm going to place them right back in my Drive. So they're out of this folder now. You can see up here that we're in the Food folder, so I'm going to click My Drive to go back to the main Drive. And these pictures are back here. You can also delete things by right-clicking on them. Remove. Now the nice thing about Drive is that it's really hard to make a mistake that isn't fixable. So let's say I accidentally deleted that picture. If I go over here to Trash, and once I'm inside the Trash folder, I see the pizza image that I just deleted. I can right-click on it and click Restore. And it will send it right back to my Drive, right where I accidentally deleted it from. So I'm going to move these back into the Food folder. Now, a very helpful feature of Drive is the ability to search your Drive. So if you type in the name of a file or the name of a folder or video here, it'll come right up for you. So if I search pizza and hit enter, the image is going to come up. And this is very helpful, especially when you have lots of different folders, folders within folders, things like that. Because if I right-click this image from the search results, I can do show file location. And that's going to bring me directly to the food folder. So if I had lots of things related to pizza and I forgot kind of where I put them, I could then go to the food folder that way and see everything that was there. If you have any questions about this video or anything else related to the Technology Initiative for Adult Education, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at mifink@esboces.org. Thanks for watching.